Hi, Joel with Woodland Scenics. Today I'm joined by Troy. Troy, what are we working on today?
Well, Joel, today we're going to show you how to install the single crossbar pre-wired poles from our utility system.
Other products from the utility system include the double crossbar pre-wired poles, the transformer connect set, and the substation. When used together, all these products give the illusion of working power and communication lines on your layout. So what do we need to get started?
Well, Joel, the items that we're going to need today are scissors, foam nails, glue, a drill, and a ruler or a tape measure, then of course the utility system.
So, what's the first step?
I'll start by determining the placement of the poles. I want the first pole to go here, so I'll mark the spot and work the other direction, measuring as I go.
Now remember, the instructions recommend 80 scale feet between each pole, or 11 inches in HO scale, but we're not going to have enough room here, so you're going to have to figure it out for your own layout, what's going to work best for you.
Now that everything is measured, it's time to drill the holes and install the poles.
The package is designed for an easy, tangle-free installation. Place your hand over the spool, peel back the film, then pull all poles out at a steady pace.
Next, I'll plant the poles one at a time using glue to secure them into place. Then hold it there for a little while as it starts to dry.
Be sure to pay attention to the direction the wires need to go next and twist the pole in the proper direction before the glue dries.
Then slide the remaining poles along the wire to the next hole. Repeat this process until every pole is installed. I'll adjust the tension of each wire. Once I have the desired look, I'll glue it in place. If this were the end of my run, I'd cut the extra wire off. But I have more poles to install, so I'll leave this wire until I've installed my second set. The two sets are connected now, so I'll cut off any extra wire.
Now all that's left are guy wires. Troy will go ahead and install one on the layout. Wow, the utility system really transforms the look of this layout.
Yeah, and we're not even finished yet. Be sure to watch our other videos, including how to install the Transformer Connect set.
And for more information on the utility system, visit woodlandscenics.com. Follow us on social media.
And thanks for watching.